What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Binance to DEX Screener. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly connect Binance here to DEX Screener? Well, connecting to DEX Screener using your Binance account can be complicated. Because if you're going to try this, so just to get the idea here, let's go to DEX Screener here. If you go to sign in at the bottom left here, as you can see, you don't have any option to connect our Binance account, which is something really unfortunate. But what you can do here is do a workaround, which in this case, you could actually transfer your funds that you have right now for Binance to wallets that is available right now on DEX Screener. That includes Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Exodus, MetaMask, or even Wallet Connect or Rainbow. Now, you could also use Phantom Wallet here if you want to. But yeah, so in this case, what you need to do is you just want to go ahead and basically choose the account that you want to make the transfer. So we want to get the address for it. So as an example, maybe I want to receive my funds into my MetaMask account. So you want to go and open up your MetaMask account here using the extension itself, log in into your account, and at the right side you have receive. Go ahead and click on it. Now you can go ahead and click on copy address here and use this to receive your crypto or your in this case coin here, which in this case is going to be Ethereum. So what we need to do is we want to go ahead and go to Binance. Let's go ahead and go to our wallet here and want to go to spot wallet. Now from here at the very top, you want to go ahead and click on the withdraw option. Now from here, let's go ahead and choose ETH, and from here just enter your address. Now from here, you want to go and choose your network here. So in my case, I'm going to use ETH here, but in this case, make sure you're using the correct network. Now, by the way, if you want to see your network, so usually in your MetaMask account at the top left, you should be able to see your Ethereum mainnet here at the top left, and you could choose which network you have. So Ethereum mainnet, we have Linea mainnet, Binance Smart Chain, and a lot more here if you enable those. But in this case, I'm using the Ethereum mainnet here, which in this case is going to be the Ethereum network. But yeah, so in this case, you want to go and fill out the details, like the amount you want to send here, and also make sure that you have enough for the network fees. But once you click on withdraw here, just confirm your section and just wait for a few seconds or even a minute for your crypto or your Ethereum to arrive in here. But once you've done that, you could go ahead and go to DEX Screener here. I'm just going to reload this just real quickly here. The bottom left, you want to go ahead and click on sign in here, and you want to go ahead and click on connect wallet. And you want to go ahead and basically choose the appropriate one here. Now, if you do see the pop-up here that says sign message only, go ahead and close that again and open it up again. It's kind of a bug here. But what you need to do is you want to go ahead and click on MetaMask. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on connect and agree to the connection process. Click on sign message, click on confirm, and your account should now be connected. Now, you could go ahead and start using your crypto that you currently have right now for or that your crypto that was from your Binance account. Now you could use it for DEX Screener. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.